the croissants.
The croissants are definitely our signature.
I have my dough here. I've rolled it up to 7 millimeters, which is the cutting thickness for most of our pastries that we do here. So I'll just transfer it over from the roller onto the counter so I can cut them by hand. Put down one. And for the chocolate croissants, we go about 8.5 inches long, so I can get 2 croissants out of each of these rolls. And chocolate croissants, or the pain au chocolat, get 2 chocolate batons. I kind of like to take my time just because I like them to be really uniform. They'll go into storage, and then every evening we proof batches of croissants as necessary for the bakery and for wholesale orders.
Every morning, we go on the deliveries to our wholesale spots in downtown. I leave about 7 a.m., so the croissants are fresh every day. So we're on our way to go and do that now. So, cool. Thanks for enjoying the rest of your day. Right? Bye, guys. All right, see you, Derek.
I mean, it tastes amazing, melt in your mouth, and yeah, I just have to keep myself from eating them every day when they arrive hot and fresh.
The croissants are even immortalized on Derek and Tati's arms. That's right, croissant tattoos.
Oh, the employees are the reason that we can do what we do. They're talented, they're inventful, they are curious, and want to learn and want to showcase things they know and are passionate about as well. They're really what drives us.
The people here are just really fun. I always feel happy to be here, and it's super collaborative.
They're my favorite bosses I've had so far in my 20-ish years of being a laborer. So Mr. Derek is super enthusiastic about everything. Miss Tati isn't quite as energetic about every little thing. She's very calm and very precise, which I think makes a good counterpart to Mr. Derek. They work very well together.
We've grown a lot as people and not just bosses. We've both learned to communicate a lot better. I think that's the biggest kind of takeaway of being a business owner, is learning how to communicate efficiently.
Want to be known for being a good person and a good boss that does good cakes.
What Derek and Tati Polay have created together is much more than cakes.